Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple accessories on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com. Now you just need to go to this menu option here and go to avatar. Now you just need to go to these accessories, and as you can see I have equipped two accessories at once. And if I unselect one of them and finally select two of them again, you can see it doesn't work. So if you want to wear multiple accessories, you just need to right click on the new one and copy the link address, open a new tab and paste the link over here and just copy the asset ID. Right click on it, copy, go back to avatar page, click on this advanced link and paste the link over here. Just click on this save button and save again. So you can see that I already equipped two accessories at once. So that's how you can do it. If you have multiple accessories, you can repeat the same step and you will be able to select multiple accessories at once. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.